Hey, it's Mando and
Wally
out, and today we're going to show you a video for about BricsCAD BIM. Again, on this channel, or you're watching this on my LinkedIn video or LinkedIn channel, or on my YouTube channel, we show a lot of different videos about hexagon solutions such as Caesar, PV Elite, Tank, CADWorks, and
we're here to talk about BricsCAD BIM today, so check out this video showing some of the functionality of BricsCAD BIM.
Just like he said, here it comes.
Hey, I just wanted to show you some quick features from BricsCAD BIM. Quick Draw allows you to quickly model walls and floors. As you can see, the walls can be added or automatically removed using Quick Draw. You can use Quick Draw to design your floor plan and layout, and it gets your design started fast. And it's all in the familiar DWG file type. Using the Components palette on the right, you can insert building elements such as doors. Using BricsCAD BIM, you can classify BIM objects in your model as the elements you intend them to be. You can use the project browser on the left to identify all the elements in your model and classify them as you see fit. You can also use the BIMify button to classify elements automatically. Using the BIM Compositions palette, you can define all the plies of an element such as a wall or a slab. Once you've got your elements classified and your compositions defined, you can detail connections of walls with slabs, or any connection you'd like to detail. Using artificial intelligence, BricsCAD can help automate your design. By using the propagate tools, you can propagate the detail of a connection across the entire model. BricsCAD will ask you to identify the objects that you are trying to propagate, and then will analyze the model and find all the locations that this connection detail could occur, determine possible resolutions for any conflicts that may be caused, and then you'll be asked to confirm the locations you'd like the detail to be propagated to before applying. You can quickly add levels using Quick Draw. Once you have your floor plan laid out, you can enter the Quick Draw command again and click on the plus sign to add a level above. You can copy all the walls or just the footprint when doing this. BricsCAD makes things simple. Using direct modeling, you can create the geometry of your roof, and then convert the solids to the individual roof elements using direct modeling functionality within BricsCAD. After classifying the elements and applying your BIM compositions, you've created a custom roof. You can create custom windows super easy by using boundary detection to identify the size and shape of the area of the wall you'd like the window to occupy. Once you select the style of window you'd like, you will have just created a custom window in 2 clicks of your mouse. You can even use the propagate pattern to replicate and standardize your window placement around the model. By moving your cursor over the flyouts, you'll see several options when propagating patterns, and you can individualize the pattern on each face of your model. As you move around the model, manipulating the design to customize it as you see fit, you can see just how quickly you can add to the level of development of this BIM model. Just about everything in BricsCAD is customizable. You can create custom BIM compositions by going to the BIM Compositions dialog. There you can modify or create your own custom BIM compositions to apply to your building objects. You can change the face of which the composition is applied. And you can do this all on the fly while you're working on your design. BricsCAD BIM is natively compliant with IFC. We're IFC 2x3 compatible and can import and export to IFC easily. BricsCAD BIM makes collaboration as easy as possible. Thanks for checking this out.
All right, so wasn't that video awesome, man? Wally did a great job on that.
Thanks.
Can you give me a little bit more about what they just saw? You know?
Yeah, so BricsCAD BIM just has all the functionality to design your building models using all of the BIM functionality that you expect for the industry.
Sweet. So does it do anything like output like IFC or?
Yeah, so using BricsCAD BIM, you can import, export to IFC. You can create schedules, create your projects, do everything that you need to do to make sure that your project is on time, on schedule, and on budget.
All right. So we also have BricsCAD, which is just like we don't want to say the word AutoCAD, but it's like that. But so what's the difference between just BricsCAD and BricsCAD BIM?
Yeah, so there's several different levels of BricsCAD that we offer.
So
there's BricsCAD
yeah, tell us
Basic.
about those levels.
BricsCAD Basic offers the basic CAD functionality with full list
Routines.
integration.
Okay. Yeah.
We also have BricsCAD Pro, BricsCAD Platinum, which each feature gives you more and more feature sets to use some 3D modeling.
Okay.
BricsCAD BIM gives you the functionality that you need for building design. BricsCAD Mechanical gives you what you need for component
Definitely.
design.
So there is going to be another video coming up later that we'll be producing, and it'll be Ed,
Yep.
probably Ed, and it'll be about BricsCAD Mechanical. So all you mechanical people out there that say, hey, what about mechanical? It's coming. What's something else? What's the other thing that we have?
BricsCAD Ultimate is available, and that has everything all packaged together.
Ultimate
and
Prime.
I think there's going to be a link below that you can click on to
Link
get
below.
started on a 30-day free trial
Yeah.
of the software. And if you're interested, BricsCAD Shape is available as a free download at any time.
Okay, he just said the word shape. So tell me, what is shape before we go? What is
Yeah,
shape?
BricsCAD Shape is just a basic 3D modeling tool to get started on your designs, get some schematics going, get some basic conceptualization.
So is shape almost like SketchUp? So
Sure.
it's like
You can compare
so
it to SketchUp.
if people know SketchUp, they'll know shape.
But the point is that it's a DWG file that it creates, so you can carry your design all the way through DWG from beginning to end.
Okay, so those of you that know about SketchUp or been in this industry, you can download Shape also. Is it come with it, or is it a different install?
It's a different install.
Different install, but we'll have it right there below. So if you need to get a hold of Wally, his information will be below. Of course, you need to get a hold of me. My information will be below too. But that's about it. That's all we needed to show you. I hope you enjoyed that video. We'll talk to you soon. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.